a short moral story. In a lush forest, a peacock, a squirrel, and an owl argued over who was best. The peacock boasted of its beauty, the squirrel of its agility, and the owl of its wisdom. Seeing their quarrel, an old turtle said, "Each of you has a gift. The peacock's beauty inspires, the squirrel's speed aids survival, and the owl's wisdom guides." Realizing their strengths made them special, they stopped comparing and embraced their uniqueness. Moral: everyone has unique qualities. Instead of comparing, embrace and appreciate what makes you special. Thank you for watching.